The bell has rung. It is now time to start Picati's class. In this lecture, I'd like to talk about subtraction, 2-digit by 2-digit, with a special emphasis on borrowing. For example, let's say I have 78 and I want to subtract 49. Well, I can't subtract 9 from 8, so I'd have to borrow. What that means is this 7 becomes a 6, this 8 becomes an 18, and so now I have 18 minus 9, which is going to be 9, and I have 6 minus 4, which is going to be 2. 2. So the answer would be 29. Let's do another example. In this example, I have 45 minus 27. So I can't subtract 7 from 5. I'm going to have to borrow. What that means is this 4 becomes a 3, the 5 becomes a 15. Now I have 15 minus 7. That's going to be 8. And then I have 3 minus 2. That's going to be 1. And so my answer would be 18. Let's work another example. Alrighty, in this example I have 93 minus 74. So we can't minus 4 from 3. That means we're going to have to borrow. So this 9 is going to become an 8. This 3 is going to become a 13. And now I have 13 minus 4, which is going to give me 9. And I have 8 minus 7, which is going to give me 1. Therefore, the answer would be 19. In this example, I have 84 minus 67. So I can't minus 4 from 7. That means I'm going to have to borrow. So this 8 becomes a 7. This 4 becomes a 14. And now I have 14 minus 7, which is going to be 7. And I'm also going to have 7 minus 6. This is going to give me 1. And therefore the answer would be 17. In this example, I have 21 minus 16. And you guessed it, I'm going to have to borrow because I can't minus 6 from 1. Therefore, this 2 becomes a 1, and this 1 becomes an 11. So now I have 11 minus 6, which is going to be 5. And I have 1 minus 1 on this side, and that's going to give me 0. So the answer is going to be 5. Alrighty, it's time for a pop quiz. We have 75 minus 39. I'll give you a few seconds to work through this problem. Alrighty, so we have a couple of options. Choice A is going to be 36, or we're going to have choice B, which is going to be 35. Is it going to be A, or is it going to be B? And if you chose A, you are correct. Let's go over it. So we have 75 minus 39. What is the first thing we're going to have to do? That's right, I thought I heard it back there. We're going to have to borrow. So what that means is this 7 becomes a 6, this 5 becomes a 15. We now have 15 minus 9, which is going to be 6. And we have 6 minus 3, which is going to be 3. Therefore, our answer is going to be 36.